All right, guys, this is the fall of 2024 Crate Club General Box, and it's pretty small this quarter. If you guys know anything about Crate Club's General Box, it happens every quarter, and usually it's freaking huge. Sometimes I can't even get it to fit on the whole frame here, and look how small. So I'm curious to see what's in here, so let's check it out. And I'll put all the information for Crate Club down below in my description box. Like I said, this is the general box and it happens every quarter. But there's also monthly tiers, so if you guys are curious, go check it out down below. Yes, I said I'm curious to find out what's in here, but you might notice the box is already open. So yes, I did cut it open, but I didn't peek inside yet. I wanted to cut it open just so you guys didn't have to watch me do it on camera, and then I taped up all of my information here. So what I normally do in these videos is I open it up and take out the cheat sheet, which is, this right here tells you everything that's inside, and then give you guys a nice peek inside the box here. And I'll do that right now, but nothing really special because there's a big medical kit kind of covering everything. I'm just gonna take that out right now and put everything else off to the side there. And I thought this was a My Medic, but this is a My Fac medical kit, first aid kit.
A few moments later.
Well, I feel stupid because I was right the first time. This is a My Medic kit. It's just one of the versions. I should have probably known that because I think I have one of these already. This is a big med kit here. And right there you can see on the strap, it does say My Medic. This is a really nice kit, by the way. The bag that it's in, this feels really, really nice. Some Velcro right there on the front. Let me just open it up real quick. With the med kits, I don't really go over everything because this would be a 2-hour long video, but there's a nice look at, oh my God. There's a lot of gear here. So some shears, some medical shears here, some tape. It looks like all the basics are in here. It has some gauze, some sprain and fracture kits, some tourniquets, what is this? This tool mod. There's always so much stuff in here. It says there's a whistle, a pen light, a pair of tweezers, a thermometer, and 5 thermometer sheaths. Check that out. I mean, you can see through the bag there. I'm not going to open up anything here. Like I said, I'm not going to go through individually. There's some superwash right there. Very, very nice kit. The My Fac med kit. My goodness. They always load these kits with just everything. Anything on the outside? No, but they have some nice mounting options too. I have 2 med kits in my car already, strapped to the back of my seat with these straps right here. So this is very, very cool. The My Fac first aid kit from My Medic. And I'll pop up the information from the cheat sheet. If you guys want to pause the video, do so right now. All right, what's next here? This is the Greatland Laser. This is a safety and rescue laser. Check out the box right there. Safety and rescue laser. What does it say on the back? Nighttime signaling up to 20 miles under optimum conditions. Daytime signaling up to 1 to 3 miles. This is a pretty powerful laser. Compact, lightweight, waterproof, operates 40 hours on a replaceable CR123 battery. Very cool. Let's take this out of the box. I know I need a knife. Let's use this guy right here. Check out this laser. Now, I have a bunch of green and red lasers that I use. I don't carry them often, but I usually use those for work, and that's what it looks like in the box. Just some information there. Let's just take this out. And I'm not really sure how this works because I am not familiar with this at all. So is that the laser? No, that's just a light. Hold on. Does that pop off? It does pop off. There we go. So it's a red laser. Let me twist that again. Looks like it's just a one twist on and a twist off motion right there. And check that out. It's a line. It's not a dot laser. That's pretty crazy. I've actually never seen a laser like this before. It's usually just a dot laser that I've seen. This is really, really cool. So let me put this back on. I really don't know, but I'm guessing with that little silicone cap right there, that can still be used for signaling. But very, very cool. A safety and rescue laser. Up to 20 miles in the dark. I actually want to take this outside and check it out, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to move right on to the next product. So I'm going to put this off to the side here, get this out of the way, and just find the next item in the box here. There's a lot of little stuff, but we all know what this is. This is a Fox Knives. I don't know what model, though. The Fox Knives, and you got me. This is what it says on the side of the box there. So let's use the same knife, using a knife to open a knife. You gotta love it. And yes, I am using the knife, pulling towards myself. It's just what I do. Just what I do. And oh, wow. Very, very cool. So what is that, a lockback? Yeah, it's a lockback knife. Very cool blade shape right here. Pretty large thumb hole. Actually, can I flick this open? Oh, really stiff. It's really stiff with that lockback, but I'm really digging the blade shape right there. Check that out. Let's see if I can read what steel this is, and that is so small. I definitely can't read that the way it is. So to the cheat sheet for me, it says this is a Fox Knives Zero 2.0 Desert Warrior. Oh, it's a Gens Anzo design. Very, very cool. Featuring N690 CO stainless steel, a fiberglass reinforced nylon handle, and a deep carry pocket clip knife delivers exceptional cutting power and control. Blade length is 2.76 inches. Overall length is 6.30 inches, and it weighs 1.98 ounces. And I'll give you a look at that pocket clip, that deep carry pocket clip right there. Is it reversible? Yes, it is a reversible pocket clip. And with the lockback and thumb hole, that makes this an ambidextrous knife. So really cool. I'm digging the design here. I really like this. I have 3 other Fox Knives, but I don't have anything this small from Fox Knives. They seem to be overbuilt and large, at least the ones that I have. And this seems fairly EDC friendly. Anything else come in the box? No, just some wordage right there. Some Fox Knives stuff. I do like this little carrying bag that it came with the Fox Knives logo on the bottom. That's pretty cool. But the Fox Knives Zero 2.0 Desert Warrior. Very, very cool. So let's move on to the next item here. And that is this guy right here. This is the Camis blade sharpener. It says Glide Sharpener right there on the bottom. So I'm not really familiar with this brand, but I have many blade sharpeners of this style. I'm not really the biggest fan of those. Usually I either use a work sharp knife sharpener or just a standard whetstone. I never really use these portable sharpeners like this. I guess they're okay to just throw in a backpack if you're camping or in the field or whatever, but for just everyday use, I don't use these. But if you don't have any other sharpeners, these could be very useful. Let's go to the cheat sheet here. Ideal for knives, axes, shears, and hooks. T6, T8, T9, and T10 drivers. A flathead screwdriver, 20, 30, and 45 degree shear sharpeners. Hook sharpener, Rockwell hardness, HRC 50 to 60, and the length is 4.75 inches. Now I have to open this because I want to see what they're talking about with the flathead screwdriver and the T6 through 10 drivers. What are they talking about? So is this technically a multi-tool? See, now I have to open it. So let's see what we're dealing with here. So we got the sharpeners right here. So there's the ceramic and the carbide sharpeners right there. But where? Oh, here we go. They're right there. So there's the flathead screwdriver, and there's the T6, T8, T9 and T10 drivers right there. So yeah, technically this is a multi-tool. So yeah, maybe this is a little bit cooler than what I was giving it credit for with these extra little tools on there. So plop it in a backpack when you go camping. If you have to sharpen up your blades, it has you covered. All right, so it looks like there's 3 more small items in the box here. I mean, real small. So right here, this is a Rescue Me tool. I have a few Rescue Me tools in my car, and they are glass breakers. So what is this? It's another little keychain tool. What is this? A Whistles for Life. So this is a whistle. A Rescue Me whistle. Should I test this out? I don't know. I usually don't like blowing whistles on camera, but I guess I could lower the volume so I don't blow your ears out. So yeah, I'm going to blow this. So hold on. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Yes, that was loud. That was extremely loud. Plus it's not helping with the echo in my room here. So a keychain Rescue Me whistle. Let's see what it says. Rescue Me whistles for life. What is the decibel? Right there, 120 decibels. So this bad boy is loud. Notify those around you of potential danger. Powerful signaling for assistance. Emit warning sounds to alert people in your vicinity. Attract attention during emergencies and discourage potential offenders. For me, I would take this while hiking in the mountains as a bear whistle just to scare any bears away. Couple this with some bear spray and you should be okay. Not necessarily for signaling other people for intruders. Maybe if you're, you know what? I'm not even going to say it. I'm not even going to say it. I was going to say it, but I'm not. I'm just going to leave that alone. The Rescue Me whistles for life. Let's move on. All right, next. What the heck is this? A Griffin mini Griffin pocket tool. So this looks like a little mini pry bar multi-tool. You can see all the little features right there on the back. I do like small EDC pry bars. I think they're useful for certain things, but when they start coupling too much stuff there, it just becomes a jumbled mess, and I tend to not like it. And I don't have anything from this company right here, Griffin pocket tool. So let's see what this is all about once I get it out of the packaging here. And this is small. When they say mini, they mean it. Come on. I can't get it out. Oh, I see. It's stuck in the back with some adhesive. Jeez, guys. It's not going to fall out, really. That is some strong adhesive. You can see the pry tool part and a couple little wrenches right there with a bottle opener. But let's see what the official tools are. It says scoring tool, a 5/16 wrench, a pocket clip, an 11/32 wrench, a screwdriver, pry tool, a 1/4-inch wrench, a 1/4-inch bit driver, bottle opener, and keyring hole. Yeah, guys, something this small to me, I feel like this is useless unless you do want to carry this as maybe a flathead screwdriver in a pinch. Everything else here seems to be useless. I mean, they're counting, and this usually drives me nuts. They're counting the pry tool here as two tools, a pry tool and a screwdriver. Yeah, of course. This can be a screwdriver, but yeah, it can also be a scraper and a pry tool, but that's not three different tools. It just bugs me. It's basically one tool that has three functions, not three different tools. So on the bottom of the box right there, they're saying, yeah, 10 plus tools. I mean, what do you guys think? Is this 10 tools? I don't think so. And yes, it seems like I'm ragging on this thing. I actually think it's kind of cool just for this little pry tool right here, but putting 10 tools in this tiny little thing, yeah, I don't know. But regardless, this is the Griffin pocket tool. And I'll put that off to the side here. And there's one thing left. Nothing left in the box there. So what is this? Oh, it's made from Tactica. I do have some items from Tactica, but what is this? This is the X100 Survival Lighter. And I am a big fan of Tactica. The thing with Tactica is they make pretty cool items, but they're pretty pricey. Very, very pricey. Let me show you guys what this looks like inside. A survival lighter. So I'm currently gearing up for my wintertime survival kit for my car. And I'm putting together currently a little pouch with a bunch of lighters and just fire starting gear. I don't know this, but maybe this will make that little kit. Check that out. That's what I'm saying. Tactical makes, it just feels nice. It feels nice and high quality. And yeah, there we go. There's your lighter. I don't know if they're going to put any fluid in here when they ship it, but let's try it. And I didn't think so. Let's see what's inside there. But just right there, just empty. And what you want to do is unscrew that little bottom right there and squirt some fluid in there. I don't have any fluid. It's all in the house right now in my basement. But give that a little squirt and then put this in a survival kit for emergencies. This is awesome. And you know what? I didn't even have to unscrew this. I was unscrewing it. It felt like it was unscrewing, but it literally just pops right out. That's weird. That actually made it feel like I was unscrewing it, but no. Just this little piece unscrews. Has a little lanyard hole right there on the top. This is really cool. I'm guessing this isn't cheap. I don't know the price of this yet. At the end of this video, I'll add everything up and give you guys the total, but I'll put on the screen right now the price of this Tactica. What's the actual name of this? The Tactica X100 Survival Lighter. So the cheat sheet says refuelable lanyard hole, zinc construction. So this is made of zinc. Replaceable flint, fire starter, replaceable O-rings. So it is what it is. It's just a survival lighter. I'm guessing this is waterproof in this zinc container, this little capsule that it comes with. And I'm telling you guys right now, this is going straight to my fire starting kit in my wintertime survival kit for my car. This is really nice. But this was the last item right there. So if I look at the cheat sheet, the Tactica X100, the Griffin Pocket Tool Mini, the Rescue Me Whistle, the Camis Glide Sharpener, the Fox Knives Zero 2.0, the Rescue Laser signaling device, and the MyMedic MyFac First Aid Kit. Yeah, that's this quarter's general box. So right now, I'll put all the items on the screen with the prices and have a total at the bottom of that screen. Now, of course, I don't know that information until I'm editing, so hopefully this is more than what you're spending for the box. And I don't know, I guess my favorites of the box would be this Fox Knives Desert Warrior right here and this Tactica X100 Survival Lighter. I really like these. I guess it would be the medical kit right here, but guys, I have so many med kits at this point. This might be my 6th med kit. So yes, that's cool, but of this box, I'm guessing these are my favorite. And at first glance, it looks to be a little light to me. I mean, I do like these items, but honestly, this isn't the best box from Crate Club that I've seen. The Crate Club General Box for the last year has been all bangers in my opinion. And this one is, I don't know, sort of but that's just my opinion. What do you guys think of the fall 2024 general box from Crate Club? Digging this Fox knife right here.